Hey guys, this is Haley Berlin. I just wanted to show you guys an update on our bathroom project. We had it pretty much complete when we moved in, but we needed some finishing touches. One thing that I wanted when we were building our home was to have a soaker tub, and I just couldn't figure it out with our floor plan that we had. So the only option for me to do was to put the tub in the shower area. But I love having the tub in the shower area. Definitely do it again in my next home. One thing that I love is I have 3 kids and they can splash all they want in there and I don't have to worry about the cleanup. It's awesome. Tubs usually are tricky to clean. This can be a little difficult to clean behind the tub area, so I recommend doing a sprayer by the tub area or somewhere in the shower, just so that you can spray it down. It definitely makes the cleaning go a lot easier. We did the shower doors ourselves, and I definitely recommend maybe not going that route if you're not a huge DIYer. We definitely would have hired that out. It was a pain trying to get these during the COVID times. It seriously has been 2 years of us trying to figure out these doors, get the right door for the manufacturer, get it up, but they do look good. So I can't complain. We finally got it done and it looks great, and I just want to show you guys pretty much everything you see in my bathroom. I had to buy online, the lighting, shower glass doors, all the fixtures. Because of COVID, everything was kind of done online. If you like any of this stuff, I'll put the links below where you can find these items. I really like how it's come together. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, want more videos, please subscribe, hit the like button if you liked it, and I will catch you guys on the next project.